Good morning, students. So after doing the mole concept, we have a next topic that is about the percentage composition by mass. Okay, so what is percentage composition? In this concept, we have to find the percentage of each element when it is present in a compound form by applying the formula. What is the formula? Mass of a component or element divided by the formula mass, or we can see molecular mass of the compound into 100. Okay, by applying this formula we can find the percentage of different elements, their percentage. So I am taking here example of a nicotine. The formula is C10H14 and 2. So first of all we have to calculate the molecular mass of this compound. So we know that how to calculate the molecular mass, I already told you. So by applying that formula we have to calculate the molecular mass of nicotine. So the molar mass is 162. Now we have to calculate the percentage of each element. It may be carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. So what is the percentage of carbon? First of all, number of carbon into molar mass of carbon. So it is 120, that is divided by the total molecular mass 162 into 100. The percentage comes here. Same for hydrogen, number of atoms into molar mass divided by total molar mass. So we can calculate the different percentage of different elements. Next example is of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. In this there are three elements: sodium, carbon and oxygen, and we can find the percentage composition of each element by applying percentage composition formula. After that, one more example is here, that is of carbon dioxide. First of all you have to find the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, that is 44. After that, carbon and hydrogen. So last example is of ethanol, C2H5OH. So in this you have to find the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so this is all about the percentage composition. By applying a single formula you can calculate a percentage of different element present in the compound. So go through the topic, solve the numericals, solve the different examples, and if you people are facing any doubt you can ask, and I am attaching one video also.